Hey guys, good to see you again. Today we are baking a pure rye sourdough bread. To make this bread at home, you only need 3 ingredients: flour, water and salt. Shaping skills are not required since we use a baking pan. The recipe is easy to follow and can be divided into 4 steps: setting up the sourdough, mixing the dough, putting it in a baking pan and finally baking. Let's bake together and make some incredible sourdough bread. First step: setting up your sourdough. Take your flour, water, your sourdough starter, salt, put everything in a bowl, mix it, cover the bowl and let it ferment for about 12 to 24 hours at room temperature. Let me know your questions and experiences in the comments below. Please subscribe the channel for further content. Second step: preparing the dough. Once your sourdough is ready, add your flour, water, salt to the sourdough, mix everything together using your hand or wooden spoon until well combined. Goal is a dough temperature of about 28 degrees Celsius or 82 degrees Fahrenheit, so adjust your water temperature if necessary. Third step: shaping. This step is really simple since we use a baking pan. After mixing your dough, put it in the baking pan. Wet your fingers and smooth the dough surface. Dust it with flour. Let the dough rest for about 2 hours at room temperature. Don't cover it during that time. Last step: baking. Preheat your oven in time for 45 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread 10 minutes at that temperature with steam. Release the steam after 10 minutes and continue baking at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes. Enjoy your bread after a total baking time of 65 minutes.